Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Monzo to Lloyds. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is the very first step would be simply for you to access your Monzo app on your mobile phone and simply sign into your account. So if you would like to do a bank transfer or a money transfer for the another account of yours which is in the Lloyds, what you have to do, you gotta tap on this payment option just given below in the middle. Once you have tapped on it, you will simply be able to access this four option, which includes make a bank transfer, pay someone nearby, share a link, and pay someone nearby again below. Right, so let's say Lloyd another bank account that we need to do, so we're gonna tap on this make a bank transfer option on top. Simply tap on it, and now it will simply show you this option where you can go ahead, select a bank from the menu from the menu option given below. Otherwise you can search and find the bank which will be the Lloyds for you. Once you have found your bank, tap on the particular name of the bank, and now it will simply show you the other prompts for you to complete, which will include adding your account's information, right, which account you would like to transfer your money to, and the amount as well. Once you have tapped, you can see approve your payment. This payment will pop up in your banking app or website, and here in the below you can see connecting to that particular account. And now you can see a new window will automatically so you can log into your bank account to approve this payment. Then afterwards, once you have logged in, then you will approve this payment for you in another window of yours, and then that will be confirmed. You will be able to transfer your money from Monzo to Lloyd just like that. So that is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.